How to check live view in Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Scroll down, click on the option Apps. From the list of the app, find the app Google Maps. Open it. Click on the option of Location, set it to Always. Head back. Enable for the option of Camera for the Google Maps. Once you do that, launch your Google Maps. Now go ahead and select your destination. Now click on the option of Directions. Now at the top, you're gonna get the vehicle option. Select the option of your choice, whether you wanna walk or choose any vehicle. Then at the bottom, you're gonna find the option of Start, Add Stops, Steps, and Live View. Click on the option of Live View. With that, your camera will open up. Then point your phone's camera at your surroundings. Google Map will use AR to overlay directions, arrows, and labels directly on the live camera view. Hold your phone upright while walking and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll see arrows, street names, and destination markers superimposed over the real-world view. In supported locations like malls, airports, and transit stations, Live View will also provide indoor navigation. Look for the Indoor Live View option when available. To exit Live View, tap the back arrow or swipe down to return to the standard map. Using Live View in Google Maps is a powerful way to navigate in real time with augmented reality, making it especially helpful in unfamiliar or crowded areas. So this is how you can easily check Live View in Google Maps. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.